Welcome to my humble abode, your go-to channel for skincare. I'm not a professional and I don't claim to be one. I am just a girl who is crazy over skincare. So in today's video, we are going to discuss a question that I receive so very often in my DM. Which one, Tay? The very well-known salicylic acid or the not spoken enough about azelaic acid? So in my DMs and in my chats, it is very clear that you know that the salicylic acid and the azelaic acid is really good for acne prone skin. But then you generally want me to recommend one of the two for you based on your skin situation. So let's discuss these two in detail. Both of these actives are definitely acne superheroes in my view. Salicylic acid is very well known for its work of treating and reducing acne by exfoliating the skin and then degreasing the pores. So we love salicylic acid because it gets deep into the skin and it degreases and all of that extra sebum and glue in your skin. It takes all of it out, which then cleans your pore. When you have a clean pore, there's no bacteria, there's no dirt, there's no space for inflammation, etc. Just beautiful skin. You usually want to see the full effect of salicylic acid's work after about 6 weeks. If you do not see change in 6 weeks, you need to change the brand of that salicylic acid that you're using. Over-the-counter salicylic acid is great if you are targeting mild acne, if you want to spot treat random breakouts, whiteheads and blackheads. And it's also really nice to use if you have blemish prone skin because it exfoliates your skin. When you're exfoliating, you're accelerating your skin turnover time compared to, its normal time. So that means that you're lifting off those dead skin cells and revealing a newer, brighter, anti-blemish you. Now for azelaic acid, which people don't speak about enough or understand that well. Azelaic acid is a gentle acid that is derived from barley, wheat, and rye. And it is a gem because it treats acne, whiteheads, blackheads, redness, oily and congested pores, as well as hyperpigmentation. It works by reducing the body's natural production of the growth of keratin cells, which then prevents the blocking of pores and the glands that produce sebum. It also kills the bacteria that's associated with acne. This bacteria feeds on your skin's sebum and it creates wastes and fatty acids which can worsen your acne or cause inflammation. So azelaic acid is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. Skin functional names there: 10% azelaic acid, the multitasker, which I think is super accurate. This underrated active is so versatile. It can help minimize the appearance of lines and wrinkles. And it's also a tyrosine inhibitor as it limits the skin's production of excess melanin, which is what causes that hyperpigmentation and melasma. We love melanin, yes boo, but an excess amount of melanin in a concentrated area, that is definitely unwanted, and azelaic acid helps people who are prone to hyperpigmentation manage that type of hyperpigmentation. This is an underrated beauty that can be used daily. You want it in concentrations of 10% and more for noticeable results, and you should use it for about 6 to 8 weeks to start seeing noticeable improvements. If you are serious about getting rid of blemishes, spots, and acne, I definitely suggest having both in your routine. It does not necessarily have to be together. Salicylic acid is a chemical exfoliant. And on this channel, we are very protective over our skin barrier. Overuse of exfoliation can lead to dryness. It can irritate the skin and potentially impair your skin barrier. So use salicylic acid in low dosages about once or twice a week. If you have oily skin, I would say the sweet spot if you're putting salicylic on your whole face is about 2%. If you are spot treating, so you're treating particular mild acne or whiteheads or blackheads, that case you can bump it up. Personally, when I'm treating random breakouts, I use the Skin Functional 9% BHA. So that's a higher concentration, but I don't put it on my entire face. I spot treat. I take the serum and I just put it wherever I have the issue. And then azelaic acid, like I said before, you can use it every day, and it is also safe for pregnant women. However, I would suggest that you do run it through your gynae first before you use it. But in general, recommendation is that it's safe for pregnant women. If you were going to use the two in your routine, I would say on days that you're using the salicylic acid, just, don't use the azelaic acid, just to not overdo the actives on your skin. Your skin barrier is so important. You do not want to overuse actives. Actives are very powerful, but they should be used responsibly, because if you impair your skin barrier, woo, girl. Yeah, you'll learn. Remember, consistency is key for optimal results. Results do not occur overnight. And do not forget a generous amount of SPF on your skin during the day, whether you're indoors, outdoors, irrespective of the season. If you haven't found an SPF that you love yet, I would recommend the Access Y Complete No Stress Physical Sunscreen. This has mugwort in it. It has 2% of niacinamide and it has squalane. Really beautiful. I've really been enjoying this, and I know people who have oily skin and acne prone skin absolutely loving this sunscreen. There we go. 2 gems to include in your routine if you have acne prone skin, blemish prone skin, prone to hyperpigmentation and melasma. You're gonna love these products. In terms of a recommendation, I would recommend the Skin Functional Azelaic Acid as well as their salicylic acid. They have the salicylic acid in a toner, in a dissolving powder, as well as a serum that's 9%. If you're buying Skin Functional products directly off their website, you can use the code TAT15 to get 15% off your cart. I make absolutely no money off this. It's literally just to save you the Mandelas. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm, and I hope that wherever you are well, you are making good choices, and I can't wait to see you again.